This one will give you instant glowing skin.
Don't ever use Vaseline. Closes your pores.
Yes, it clogs your pores. So just listen to the directions exactly.
Budget Queens.
Hey guys, so hi, we're the Budget Queens, and we're here to give you another budget video.
Yes.
We're all about looking good, feeling good on the budget because that's how we roll. So, as the caption of the video has already told you guys, we are going to be talking about shea butter, and I'm just going to be telling you guys how to use it properly. Like, shea butter is not just for hair, and you must not mix it actually to have the best kind of skin. Seriously, you're going to have even flawless skin if you follow the directions in which we are telling you to use it. And the particular shea butter that we're talking about today is
Jimpo array.
So in Nigeria, which we are in, this shea butter is very, very popular. You see it in any
Mother care shops.
in any mother care shop.
Yes.
So it's always used for babies. A lot of people use it for their babies and for hair, but
or for stretch marks.
Exactly. So now I'm gonna tell you how to use it for your skin. And this Jimpo already, the cost is 650 naira.
600.
And the one that we'll be using, they have different types of this Jimpo. They have the 3 kinds, but this one is with shea butter. I think it should be on Jumia, so if you don't see anywhere, you can order it on Jumia.
Wait, this one is with shea butter.
Okay, sorry. This one is with glycerin. This one comes with glycerin and what again?
Let me do this. So I am a fan of glycerin. I love.
She's a glycerin girl
so much. So it comes with glycerin, honey, and essential oils.
Yeah.
So basically, it's for dry skin, sunburn, acne, and blisters, and also for your hair moisturization. As you can see, we use it for our hairs. I used it for my hair. It's 650. It's 650.
So now we're going to be telling you guys how to use it for flawless glowing skin.
Flawless beauty.
Like for real though, and I'm going to tell you how Jimpo came to my rescue. I was using some ash products before, and it now gave me discoloration, like under my eye here. It was white. I'm going to put in videos of my pictures of my before and after. So my skin, my facial skin, and even my body, it was very uneven. Like I had uneven skin tone. So I decided to stop all the products I was using, and I decided to use Jimpo Ori 650. So, and we're all about budget. This thing is not expensive. You can swap this thing for you can swap it as your like body cream. Like my night moisturizer. Hey Joe, which night cream do I use?
Jimpo Ori.
Shit. So we use this as our night moisturizer. I have a day cream that I use, but she uses it day and night. But I use this as my night moisturizer, and even during the day when I feel I need that extra glow when I want to go out, I use it. Seriously, it really glows your skin,
and it also helps with sunburn, like it said, and dry skin. So basically, we have what we use for our spots, like when pimples turn to spots, but this also actually really helps, especially if you use the green tea, the one we showed.
Yes, the green tea toner. If you've not watched the video, we are going to link it somewhere, so please watch it.
Yes, watch it.
So
and immediately you apply it, then you apply Jimpo already.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, you guys can see that this is basically like the pink brand, so it's the one that's actually pink, which is amazing.
Yes, and we all know the benefits of shea butter, of using shea butter. So basically, we are going to tell you guys how to use it, that it will really glow your skin effectively, like fast. So no, so what you do is like once a week you scrub your body head to toe we have a body scrub and we have a face scrub that we use. So the body scrub, how much did I buy? It's like like 800. Where's that body scrub? I don't know. But if you have a body scrub that you can use or something, you can use Epsom salt
Epsom salt
as a
it's
body
100 naira.
scrub, or you can use your own sea salt. Just scrub your body very well.
But please,
And
it's not just the Epsom salt inside water. Your body will purge.
your
That
body
is
will
it.
not purge.
I know, I'm just making a joke.
Ah,
But then you have to mix Epsom salt with palm oil to scrub your body.
see, this one will give you instant glowing skin.
Don't ever use Vaseline. It closes your
Yes,
pores
it
up.
clogs your pores. So just listen to the directions exactly. Scrub your body with Epsom salt and palm oil, or if you have any other kind of scrub. It doesn't really matter the scrub that you use. Even if you want to mix a sugar and honey scrub and scrub all over your body from your head to your toe. So after you scrub your body, like you scrub your body head to toe, then use hot water. Are you hearing me? Use hot water.
Wow.
Nothing else. Use hot water. So you bath with hot water. Then once you finish bathing with hot water, you pour cold water over your body
Once.
Don't use any other cream. In fact, don't even clean your body with towel, although you can, but we usually leave it to dry. This way, when you pour with hot water, your pores are open, and when you pour it and then when you pour cold water, your pores close. Then after you rub this Jimpo away, I promise you, when you wake up in the morning, I promise you, you will see the difference. You will glow, like for real though, for real. We're going to do another like tutorial on the Epsom salt and the palm oil. But if you have any other scrub, but this is just once a week. If you don't want to scrub your body, just be using this on your body. Use it morning and night. I promise you, in 1 week or 2 weeks, you will see the results. If you have uneven skin tone, it's going to be even. If you have like all those dark knuckles, seriously, sometimes it's the cheapest things that work most. Have you?
Sure.
So
Very sure.
yeah, so this Jimpo oil is very good. You can also use it for your hair. I use it for my hair. I think you guys have seen my hair before. So but today I just decided to go for a different style. But she uses it for her hair. Her hair is really, really luscious. It makes your hair grow fast. It makes your hair shine. And for me, it enhances my coil pattern. I'm going to show you guys how to enhance your coil pattern. So stay tuned. And please, if you've not subscribed, subscribe to our channel. Please, we need motivation.
And please click on the notification button.
Yeah, click on it so that you see when we upload the new videos, the new budget videos that you can use. But we are really going to be teaching you guys a lot. And please subscribe. Please,
and please share it to anyone who you think will need this.
Yes.
For our life.
Yeah. So this one now, I'm talking. If you are dark skinned and if you're light skinned, this Jimpo, it works the same way.
Yes.
Because or do you have anything to say particular of how this was for you?
As I am a dark person, it actually really helps me. So I don't know if you guys can see, but recently like a pimple came and then it has turned to black spot, and I've been using it for a while now. If you see, like, it's really like I'm loving the way I look at the moment, but it really helps your skin. Like it makes you glow, and no, we are dark, so yeah.
And if you are fair skinned, don't be afraid that if you use it you will get darker. You would not get darker. It would only even your tone out. And if you want to mix it with anything, you're free to mix, but we don't, because it has everything that we need. And this, we are all about using mild things. You don't have to use harsh things or use so much to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. So yeah, is there anything that we are missing out?
Apart from the fact that I'm looking cute,
Look at this one.
it's alright.
So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for
watching,
staying
guys.
true to the video. Please, we really need your motivation and your support. If you have anything to say, if you want us to guide you personally, we are going to put links to where you can order. If you even want us to tell you exactly where to buy, hit us up. Tell us if you want our WhatsApp number or any other thing we can give you. We'll talk. Please communicate with us, chat with us.
Talk to
comment,
us.
like, subscribe. I motivate two small YouTubers. So yeah, so that's all we have. Please follow the directions. I'm going to try to like during the time of the when I'm talking, I'm going to try to write it out. So something, so that they will really know. No, I'm not supposed to tell them because I don't have forgotten. Oh yeah, now so bye budget queen.
Oh my.
It's a little bit
Budget queen.
you're even worse than me.